Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we will go through how to make a profibus cable that we can use for profibus devices. There are two different types of profibus connectors. Let's first take a look at the first one. This one is quite simple. You just put the cables in the right color of the connector, green to green and red to red. We don't need to peel the cable for this connector. We just push it and then press the terminals down. We want to make sure we keep some of the cable shielding so it touch the grounding on the cable. Once that is done, we just push down the cover and tighten the screw. The other one have screw terminals. They work the same, just that for this one we have to peel the cable a bit so the copper shows. Then we tighten the screws to make it connect. If we want to have more devices connected to a daisy chain, we can just add another cable on the terminals next to it. On the back of the connectors we have a little lever that we can turn on and off. This lever turns on a termination that is needed on the first and last device of a profibus connection. Since I will just use two devices, I will leave both on. Then when connecting them to the devices, we want to use the screws on the connector that tighten them to the device. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.